going on, guys? Northside Nomad here, back with another video, back with another TR7 video. Today, I just thought I would make a video. Oh, someone's shooting right now. This is great. Um, yeah, so I just thought I would do a little update video on just sort of where we're at with the car right now, and just sort of just what we've done so far. Because we've actually we've actually done a lot since the last video. A lot of small stuff. So yeah, I just thought I would try to show you guys sort of where we're at with that, and yeah, that's pretty much the extent of this video. I might show you what we're kind of working on right now, and yeah.
Yeah, that's great. All right, we're charging the front lawn and the trunk's in the garage, so just there's plenty of parking space now. You already have that one in?
Yeah.
Oh,
What? Which one? What are you talking about?
that side's already connected?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna maybe try to go up one more. Click.
The side's like just.
Huh?
It's like. Can you go up like maybe a little bit? That's good.
Okay. Am I looking all right?
Yeah. So yeah, this is where all of our parts are. We've got a couple of things polished, more stuff on the workbench. Uh, the car is in the garage now, and we just put it on jack stands. So that's cool. We did a little bit of repainting. We repainted this. It's not the same color orange as the car, but it's good enough. It'll do. I took off this lower windshield guard thing here, so and I'm repainting that right now. I'll go show you that in a second. Um, Yep, this is what the dash looks like right now. Everything's obviously still taken apart. We haven't touched the air box thing yet. Um, Took off the back panel here. I'm probably gonna repaint it. It's over there. It's behind the dirt bike over there. And yeah, doing obviously more vacuuming. I tore up some of the carpet back here just to get it cleaned up back here. There's a ton of stuff in there. There was these like plastic panels here. I took those off. Gonna have to clean those up. And yeah, I'm doing right now. I'm just working on this little trunk latch and this right here. It's like a little panel, plastic panel right here. I just wanted to take those off and like sort of polish them out. Um, get those looking nice. Yeah, so here's that windshield, the lower windshield guard thing. Just painting it as like a semi-gloss, uh, um, like black. There's the little panel thing. That's sort of what I'm doing right now. I've got a couple coats on there already, and then I'm probably gonna put a clear coat on top, so that'll hopefully look a lot nicer. I'm not. I've never actually spray painted anything in my life before, so I mean it's not bad. That isn't super great. Unfortunately, I didn't really do a great job there. I can probably re-sand this down and get that all nice. So that side's the only real bad spot, and over here, there's like a little bit of drip right there. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I think this is where the car was. This is all the dirt and stuff that we managed to clean out of it. Multiple washes, multiple all that. There's a piece of the rubber tube down here. Yeah, and my buddy, you've probably seen in my other videos, Mr. Klumpa was kind enough to come stop by a couple times, and he's actually been polishing the body of the car, and um, I actually had him do some recording. I actually asked him, I was like, hey, you could record some stuff of you doing this, and I'll put it on the channel. Um, and he did. So I'm actually going to show you guys that right now. So yeah, it's just a little quick little time lapse that he did. And once again, thank you, Klumpa, for helping me out with this. And yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alrighty, so I am being tasked. Well, there's sort of a couple options. It was either I could help, well, not help, but I could start with getting the oil filter off and start doing that and drain all the oil. Or, alright, so I'm not entirely sure what was going on with, not entirely sure what was going on with my phone recording. The moment I connected to my truck with my phone, it like completely just screwed up my microphone. So I'm not really sure like what's going on with that. So I gotta figure that out. Hopefully I didn't just break it somehow. I think it's trying to connect to like the truck, and the truck's tied with my phone's microphone, and it's just like sort of weird. I don't really understand how it works. Like I was saying, either I could help and I could start doing like the oil and empty out the oil and everything, or what I could do is I could go to Napa and get a replacement hose. I could get a replacement hose for the fuel line, and we could kind of start doing that. So I think that's what I'm gonna go do. At least get that. I don't know if we're even gonna start it or anything, but at least we'll have the hose. I got the latch for the trunk back on, so that's back on. It's all cleaned up, polished up. It's working. My shop inspector was quite pleased with my work on that. He did say that I needed to maybe up the speed a little bit. He is paying me by the hour, so I understand. I totally get it. He said just a little bit better on the performance, but everything else was okay. Right, buddy? Fun fact, actually, my dad and I were driving on this road yesterday, and just over here there was this kid throwing rocks at cars. So that was interesting. I didn't think kids still did that. I thought they all just played on their iPads and stuff. But the shop inspector did want to come along. He just wanted to make sure that I'm not stupid and I get the right thing. So and I said he could come, so he is. Also, just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my videos. I looked online a couple days ago, and I saw my latest video, my Five Nights at Freddy's horror game sort of thing that I got going on. That got like 100. It was like at 100 and something views when I looked at it. So that's pretty cool. So thank you all so much who watched that. I appreciate it, and it definitely makes me feel good that I am making something that someone's watching. So that's cool. All right, so we got the hose and we got a Hot Wheels. I just bought that for a friend. You know, looked pretty cool, so I thought I'd buy that for him. Yeah, so we just went and got the hose. Didn't have the exact same size, but I'm hoping it's good enough. If it's not, then we're going somewhere else.
Nice. Okay, don't lose that. That'll come in handy later.
Yeah, I think I just stripped those a lot.
Right. Well, there's still plenty on there. Get it on there all the way. Like, there you go. Let's see if I can pull it. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. It's easier to pull than push.
Yes.
This is like a bracket, I think, right here. Yeah. That's disgusting.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Is that
It is.
What's up, buddy?
Hello. I'll rip it out.
Here we go. This thing's coming out.
Ooh,
Something's connected to it. I don't know what.
Here, here, I'll hold it and you just,
I don't know if it's the right size or not.
I think it is.
Nope, of course not. Oh,
Try that one.
what the hell is this thing?
I think it's just, maybe it's to keep it from sliding somehow. No.
I was gonna say out in the elements, but it's only got 30,000 miles.
It's been in a garage, so it's
Yeah, and only what, 30,000 miles? You said?
yeah, but it's been a hard
except
it's been a hard 30,000 miles. So
It looks like it's been on the road for 100.
we know that at least the trunk has been repainted.
Yeah. That trunk, the whole lid, is not.
Okay,
right.
got it. I think this is a this is for some like strength. I think that's
It
all.
adds some tension and keeps it.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, seriously, you should have got it before and after that.
Yeah, I should have. I didn't think about it until after.
I mean, that really just came back.
Tough stuff. Icky.
I mean, it's still wet, obviously.
Mmm. Yummy. It's like chocolate milk. Mmm.
I'll turn it
All
on.
right. So this is the transmission mount. This thing is just disgusting. Oh my god. So that's just like melted rubber. So that's the mount, right?
Right,
And then
that's the
there's
mount.
that's the rubber that.
Go get the new one. It's in the box and you see what it.
That's what it's supposed to look like, and that's what it's looking like now. Holy moly. Yeah. Okay.
You let me know if there's any like fluid come, like if it's going down
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah. A little bit.
It is?
It was like it moved. Not. Oh yeah, it's going down. Yeah, it's going.
Okay, so now we're to the point, so just fill it back up.
Okay. All right, shop inspector. How's this look? Is this good enough? Does that look all right? All polished? All right, cool. All right. I'll make sure this is better. All right, what about this? How does this look? Shop inspector, how does this look? Well, I tried on it. I tried. All right, fine. I'll go back and do it again. All right, jeez, dude. Chill out.
No, of course not.
These two screws are proving to be quite difficult. You